Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be playing Drill into the Earth. What are you doing? I was digging the earth. If I keep on digging, I would reach the opposite side of the earth. Ha ha ha, you dig the earth and reach the opposite side of earth. Are you stupid? No, I am not. You will have to pay for this 20 years after. Oh, he made a drill. Wow, you made it. Great. Thank you. Stupid. If you reach there, I'll eat my hat. Bye-bye. You're not wearing a hat, is what many people say. Where's the start? Oh, never mind. Read to 1K. Tutorial mine. Let's look up our inventory. Californium. Wonder what that is. Unobtainium. Okay, I have no idea what that is. But I saw this on YouTube and I thought it would be fun. But guys, tell me, how do you get vibranium? That's what I want to know. Jump in. 8 for 15 coal. Congrats, I made it to 2K. So cool. So later today I will be downloading Infinity and playing it later. Wait, so if you press this, it's actually going a little faster. For copper, we just... Oh. Apparently that's that. So, okay, weird. But, oh, we're at 90%. Let's check if we can make the copper drill. 50 coal. Oh, we just need one more coal. One more, okay? And craft. Copper drill made. So I just like how the drill actually like just digs in the air, not like spins around and digs. But normally it should spin and like just pressing down to the earth, but whatever this game does, it does it. Well, weird game. So as you can see, sorry guys, that was an accident. Whoa, I made it to 6K. Congrats, you made it to 6K. What are these? Oh, never mind. What's that? Dictionary settings or games? I'll check that out later. Minerals, craft cargo. Ooh, looks like we get iron cargo, gold cargo, excavators, forklifts, cargo truck, husk cargo, giant cargo. We have warehouse. Wow, warehouse 2, warehouse 3. That is a lot of cargo. What I really want to do is get the Californium or like the Einsteinium or unobtainium. So my guessing is it's unobtainable because it's unobtainium, but why is it here? Probably it's really rare. Unobtainium, unobtainable, so unobtainium is actually gonna be like deep, like probably in the mantle. Probably, that's my guess. Watch. That's slow. Going faster. Slow. Going faster. Let's sell our coal and copper. So this is a really fun game. It's really fun. Hopefully I can reach 10k, but I remember seeing on YouTube quests, and I don't know how to activate your quests. Oh no, it doesn't go faster. Probably just coincidence, but yeah, so looks like I really want an Obtainium, but Vibranium, it's I think rarer. What is Vibranium? For all you people who play this, tell me what Vibranium is. Just tell me. I probably need more money. As I said, getting Einsteinium 3, I think it's possible, but the fans, I'm guessing, are what cools it down, because if it gets too hot, it will explode. So I guess the fan is. Wait. Oh. Sorry guys, I had no volume on. Sorry. What? 700 coal? So if the only way we're gonna get this is if we stop stars, if we keep selling the copper. So find chest, reach 20k, find Vibranium chest, play 2 hours? What? I'm guessing we have to play 2 hours straight, but how am I gonna play this game for 24 hours non-stop? I mean, I kinda want to play this game 24 hours non-stop, but not exactly sure how. I have to sleep, I have class. Actually, today's Friday, tomorrow Saturday, but anyways, I'm a night owl, but I get really tired. Yeah, how am I supposed to play 24 hours straight? Probably just leave this on, but this is an automatic phone, which, is turns off if no one is using it for long. So let's. Oh, I got gold. Gold is worth $16. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, you seriously gotta be kidding me. Oh, I guess you're not. So I do not want to sell my gold. It may come in handy later, but probably if I get too much gold. Oh, no, wait, what's this? Oh, it's a chest. I think that was in one of our quests. Probably. Oh, it is! Oh, I can't believe I get the touch money. silver, like, that's very rare. Oh, wait. Is that an ad? Okay, I'm gonna watch that ad. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. No. It was an optional ad, but it will stay there if I don't press play. So I guess I have to watch the ad. I guess so. This is really weird. Guys, comment down below other games that I should play if I should play this one. Strength. Oh, never mind. Sorry, guys. Let's check on my cargo. So guys, my strategy here is try and collect gold and silver. Just sell coal and copper. Ah, that beeping sound is so loud! So guys, probably once I could get the iron cargo, I will end this video, but that won't be for another. That won't be for another like 2 minutes, I think. Hopefully I get more gold because I want to play the Infinite Tree. You gotta be kidding, another ad? Okay, so I'll watch that ad when you guys aren't around because I do not want to disturb you. Go to my storage. Just keep on selling just to make sure you don't get nuts. Guys, did you see that? Guys, what was that blue wave? Guys, if you know, comment down below if you know what the blue wave means. But we're getting quite close. Amen. Better so. No, I sold all my silver! Oh, good, we're getting it. Let's see if our silver can get back to 4 before our gold goes up once. Probably to 10. Oh, nope, our gold went up once, so that's how long we have to wait. So these give us 1, these give us 2 each, these give us 4 each, and these give us 16 each. Okay, I'm in charge of the math around here. Okay, I sold it first. We won't stop until we reach the other side of the earth. We have 4 gold. So guys, this is where I'll be ending the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's part. And see you guys in Infinity.